10 Health Benefits of Yams. Lots of people have heard of yams, but certainly not everyone could point out what a yam looks like. Many people, moreover, have difficulties confirming whether or not it's a fruit, a vegetable, or a totally mythical food that has never even really existed except in children's books. Yams are very real, and they look almost exactly like a sweet potato. Yams are starchy vegetables that are grown in Africa, Latin America, and Asia before being transported all around the world. Popular in the US and Canada, they're not quite as well loved in Europe, but all this may change once you read all about the 10 health benefits of these delicious, easy-to-cook veggies. Let's take a look. 1. Yams are good for your heart. Yams are an excellent source of vitamin B6, a much-needed but hard-to-find vitamin that helps you to break down an amino acid known as homocysteine, which damages your blood vessel walls, thinning them, and putting you more at risk of having a heart attack. Many people who have heart attacks are indeed found to have higher levels of this amino acid, and for this reason it's always a good idea to get as much vitamin B6 as you possibly can. 2. Yams are good for digestion. Indigestion is one of the most common physical disorders on the planet. Although it isn't life-threatening, indigestion can make us feel miserable, and symptoms include bloating, excessive gas, and sometimes even nausea. Indigestion can hit particularly hard during pregnancy, which is why you need to fix up your diet by introducing more healthy starches, such as yams. And because these orange vegetables are also rich in dietary fiber, they can also alleviate constipation. 3. Yams can reduce your risk of cancer. Cancer cases are on the up and up, despite scientists and researchers doing their level best to find ways of stopping this deadly disease. But while it's easy to just hold our hands up and live in fear of the big C, it's much more productive to take preventative measures that can actually minimize our risk of developing deadly tumors. Eating more yams can help because these vegetables contain lots of vitamin C, which is able to protect your body from harmful free radicals that can cause cancers by promoting oxidative stress. Cancers that are linked to oxidative stress include throat cancer, mouth cancer, stomach cancer, colon cancer, and lung cancer. 4. Yams can fight aging. Nobody wants to get older, but nobody also wants to look older before our time, neither. Yet all too many of us are living highly stressed lives that cause dark circles under our eyes, puffy cheeks, sallow skin, and fine lines on our face. Is there anything we can do to stop this? Well, yes. Because yams are stuffed with vitamin B6 and carotene, they are able to tackle aging with aplomb. They can eliminate pesky wrinkles, dark circles, fine lines, and much more. 5. Yams are good for your eyes. Our eyes provide us with a looking glass into the world. Without well-functioning eyes, we lose one of our 5 senses and our lives emphatically darken. Certain tasks become harder or even impossible, such as reading and writing and studying, watching television and movies, and so on. Looking after your eyes is important, and you can do this by eating the right types of foods, including yams. Because yams are rich in vitamin C, they can help your eyes by strengthening your immune system and lowering the risk of macular degeneration. Macular degeneration is harmful to your vision and can even cause permanent blindness. 6. Yams can help you to control your weight. While diet fads that are designed to help you lose weight will come and go, the simple method of eating the right foods will never get old. And one of the right foods that are essential for weight control are yams. Yams are loaded with dietary fiber, which helps you to feel fuller for longer. Therefore, it acts as a nice afternoon snack. Yams are also rich in complex carbs which break down into sugars that are absorbed gradually by your body. These also helps you to feel satisfied for longer. 7. Yams can better regulate your metabolic functions. A healthy metabolism is absolutely essential to a healthy, well-performing you. And because yams are crammed with beneficial minerals, they are superb at regulating your metabolic functions. One of their best vitamins for this is vitamin A, which boosts your skin, vision, and immunity. 8. Yams are good for your brain. When people talk about foods rich in potassium, they usually talk about bananas. But yams are also rich in this essential mineral which helps for regulate your brain's nerve activity. The degree to which your nerves act and become excitable is all dependent on how much potassium you're feeding your brain. The more potassium you have, the better your cognitive functioning will be. 9. Yams can prevent a premature birth. Yams must be super powerful indeed if they can even stave off a potential premature birth. The reason why yams can do this is because they're loaded with iron, a key mineral that pregnant women need to consume lots and lots of. Why? Because it is iron deficiency, among other things, that can lead to an early birth. Eat more yams and you have a much better chance of having a super healthy baby. 10. Yams can promote hair growth. Yup, that's right, yams can even promote hair growth. Is there anything they can't do? Hair growth is important for women. It helps us to keep looking healthy and beautiful, and it boosts our sense of self-esteem. And because yams are rich in beta-carotene, they're fantastic at making sure your hair looks thick, lustrous, and beautiful. If you don't consume enough beta-carotene, you could be left with dry and lifeless hair that is rife with dandruff. Stay happy and healthy. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.